Lava GENIE is a sampler guitar that allows anyone to make music in seconds. You can play along with singing, spark ideas, and explore sounds.
Under the stars, we find who we are. Hearts beating time till the cosmic ride.
You don't need to be trained to start playing. It's designed to ignite musical journeys and creativity. Is made with soft touch sensing pads. It functions as a chord selector. The design is based on basic music theory. Each block functions as a chord degree. If I'm in the key of C, the first block will be a C major chord, and the next block will be D minor. Since almost all the songs are created with this fundamental theory, it can pretty much cover any song. If a song is more than 7 chords, you also have an option to extend it to 21 blocks. You can customize the whole fingerboard with more alternative chords. To trigger a playing pattern, you can tap the tap pad with your right hand. There are 2 auto-playing patterns within each preset. There's also an arpeggio section for gradually playing an arpeggio. You can tap tempo to change the speed in the rhythm section, or turn on the backing drums and bass.
Under the stars, we find who we are. Hearts beating time till the cosmic ride.
Notice that all the sounds are coming from the onboard speaker, so you don't have to connect to anything to play. It has a bass speaker and a full-range dual driver speaker. So although it's quite thin and light, it still sounds very immersive. If you need to perform, you can also plug it in. The interactive lights on the side of the fingerboard can also function as guiding lights. We created Lava GENIE with an app, and it has thousands of licensed songs now. It works with guiding lights. We've also created an AI tool for you to transpose your own songs into the interactive chord chart. You can really get creative with the presets. There are hundreds of presets in it now, and we keep updating it. You can assign 5 presets to the digital knob. Press once to go to the next one. One of the most unique features that really ignites creativity is the creative mode. In creative mode, all the elements are freely playable. Assign any element of a preset to the tap pad in the Lava Plus app. Lava GENIE is foldable, detachable. It comes with the travel case. We want people to be able to make music anywhere. We're crowdfunding for Lava GENIE. Our vision for Lava GENIE is to bring musical freedom to everyone. Go to lavamusic.com to check it out now.